Are you tired and stressed during the day? Do you have tightness in your neck and your shoulders? Maybe you're getting headaches. Maybe you have some low back pain. Hi, if you're just joining me, my name's Loretta Lynn. I'm a licensed, certified and registered yoga teacher. And today I just wanted to share with you a few quick tips. Should only take a few minutes. So whether you're seated at a desk or you can join me on the floor, you don't necessarily need to be on a mat or in yoga gear or clothing, just so long as you're comfortable. Feel safe. These are a few poses that you can do throughout the day, whether it's before presentation or maybe after lunch or when you're doing housework or maybe yard work, anything like that. These are great for helping the parasympathetic nervous system, helps to release some of that tension and stress and really relax the muscles, as well as help the mind focus. So let's begin just by breathing in through the nose, and you can exhale, letting it all out. And if you have shoes on, feel free to take them off. So we're going to inhale and exhale. And sometimes that's all we have time for, and sometimes that can be enough. You may also want to sync up the breath with the movement, such as inhaling, arms up wherever you're comfortable, and then exhaling. When you inhale, I'd like for you to try inhaling through the nose, nice and slow and deep, and feeling it all the way down into your diaphragm. Maybe holding it there for a few seconds. And then as we exhale, I want to exhale through the nose, nice and slow. And maybe you can make that exhale a little bit longer than the inhale. And you should already start to feel some relaxation in your shoulders, keeping them shoulders down. So whether you're seated in a chair or if you can join me on the floor, I would like for you to get into, if you can, get into a kneeling position. We're going to do just a few quick poses here. You can hold them as short or as long as you like, remembering to breathe. Take several breaths while you're in each pose and relaxing the shoulders. So we're going to begin by coming forward, hinging at the waist, just coming into a forward fold. So this is great to do if you're in a chair, like I said, or on the floor, or even if you're sitting maybe on the couch or in the bed. And just relaxing and bringing the shoulders down. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And we usually like to do these for about 3 to 6 cycles of breath before moving on to the next pose. But due to time here, we'll go ahead and just bring it back up, nice and slow. Always try to move in slow movements. You don't want to jerk the body or over stress it with tension and undo, quick jerky movements. And from here, I invite you to bring your arms up as we inhale, and then exhale, letting it back down. Now, if you're able, if you're on the floor, I invite you to come up on your knees, and then slowly bringing our chest up and back. Our shoulders up and back, and lifting our chest forward towards the sky. And breathing here. Now your head, if you can look up to the sky, or if it's too much on your neck, I invite you just to find something in front of you that you can focus on, that's not moving, that's not going to distract you, your drishti or your focus point. So as we're bringing our shoulders back and down, we're breathing. And if you're seated in a chair, you can certainly do this, maybe even just by keeping it seated and rolling the shoulders back and kind of doing a nice arch, bringing the angel wings out, as I like to call them. Breathing, maybe holding it here for a couple of seconds, and then slowly exhaling through the nose. Inhale and exhale. Excellent. Now go ahead and relax forward, maybe do some shoulder rolls here. First one way, and then the other way. Excellent. Now go ahead and let's try some neck rolls, because you've probably been seated or staring at the computer. Maybe you've got a Zoom conference, one after another. So after you've done one way a couple of times, let's reverse direction and do some neck rolls the other way. If you'd like, now next I invite you to maybe take one ear towards one shoulder, come back to center, and then the other side. And try to keep both shoulders down as you do this. Excellent. And then one more time, we're going to come forward again, come into a nice forward fold. Again, doing this whether you're seated in a chair or you're on the floor, wherever you may be, except if you're driving. And I invite you to come into a child's pose. You know this one. And keeping the hands behind you. And your knees can be together or they can be wide, whatever's comfortable for you. Resting the forehead on the mat if you can. Or you're welcome to use a pillow, a blanket, some books if you need that. And just breathing here, focusing on the breath for several cycles. And a forward fold is one of the best exercises you can do to open up the spaces in the vertebrae, releasing some of that tension, especially when you've been seated, because we're helping build up strength back into the muscles. And this is great for preventing injuries as well as pain, but alleviating the stress, undue stress, helping with posture. It gives us better energy, and it's better overall for your digestive system as well as your breathing. So these are a few poses I wanted to share with you today. I hope they've been helpful. If so, please like and share this video with others as well. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in a future video. And remember to take care of yourself so you can help take care of others. Have a blessed day.